Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to do offline virus scan with Microsoft Defender on your Windows 11. So in this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, just follow my easy and very simple method. So if you want to run offline virus scan on your Windows 11, you need to press Windows key button, and here guys you need to search Windows security and open the Windows security. Okay, and the Windows security guys, here you can get the option virus and threat protection. Just click on it, and here guys you can get one option, scan option. As you can see, just click on it. Okay, just scroll down, here you can get option Microsoft Defender offline scan. Just you need to check this option, and now click on scan now. So after this guys, the process will start on your Windows 11. Just you need to follow the on screen process and complete that process. So in between the process guys, your PC will restart. Please don't disturb your PC. From here you can easily able to run the offline scan on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. It's the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.